A big company called Gizi Corp is having a meeting to fix their plan for a new product. Things are changing in the market, so they need to work together and adjust.
Today we gather today because there is something that we need to discuss for the following months. I would like you to know that our plans need to change. The market is moving fast. Alegre, what do you think?
I look at how our things are working. Marketing is doing well, but operations need to catch up. We should make sure all departments are working together smoothly.
Yes, we need a better coordination. If marketing wants eco-friendly packaging, we need supplier who can deliver it quickly, sir.
And we need to be honest with the customer. Ms. Alegria will show us the changes on how this affects each team. I'm making a chart that shows how everything connects. If HR trains show better, operations becomes faster. If finance supports new ideas, marketing can promise quick delivery.
I set up weekly meeting and trade updates so that every one of us is staying connected, sir.
Okay, let's listen. How can we make sure that this will work for the business?
In Filipino culture, teamwork and respect are very important. If we follow by intention pagkatwa, our team will trust each other and work better. Why I added cultural values to our life. It's not just about numbers. It's about how people feel and work together.
Okay, I'll start the business share tasks and from each other like when
Sir, I think marketing and business values matters. It will connect with people.
Great, let's move forward with this plan. Alegre and Blessed lead the way.
The company works as one team. They adjust their plan, respect each other, and launch the product successfully with Filipino values at the heart of it.